Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon of MarineMax Stuart. Today I'm going to walk you through a 2024 Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. This boat's going to come with the light gray hull, the white graphics. This boat is equipped with a 300 Mercury outboard engine, AMS midsection, Atlas jack plate, trim tabs, transducer of course. Thank you for joining us for this interior walkthrough of the Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. We'll start in the transom area. You'll see you have rod holders back here, access to your ladder. You have seats here, live well here in the center aft, folding seats on either side, port and starboard. You have your fuel fill here, right here. Moving forward on the center console leaning post, you have armrest on either side, rocket launcher rod holders here, access to your cooler underneath the leaning post. The leaning post also has fold-up bolsters, which is very comfortable. Digital throttle and shift, Simrad VHF, glove box here for your storage. You have your JL audio stereo, Simrad GPS depth finder, and easily operated labeled switches. Tilt steering wheel as well. Here on the top you have a wireless charger with some charging ports up here. This boat does have life jacket storage up top and a hard top for the T-top. Moving forward on the boat, you will see you have a very large sun pad with storage underneath. It's a very large storage area underneath the sun pad. Of course, you have armrest on either side. Also have cup holders here. You have seats that fold up and down here in the front. More rod holders, grab rails, cup holders. You also have another sun pad up front. Stereo speakers. That's going to be your interior walkthrough video of your 2024 250 Boston Whaler Dauntless. If you want to stop by and see us in person, my name is Brad Langdon here at Stuart MarineMax. Phone number is 772-297-4495.